Welcome back to our channel, Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day. Today, we are going to implement a new questions. That is write a Java program to remove vowel from a string. To solving these problems is very easy. So before wasting the time, let's implement these questions. Okay. So first of all, what we need to do here, we need a two method. Okay, first method, which is check the is that vowel is present in a string or not, and second one is use that method to check. Okay, so let's implement first one. So that is a like public static method is a static type of method. Okay, and the data type is a boolean type, and the method name is vowel. Okay, and inside of this method we need argument. So argument which we need a string, not a string. Let's take char ch. Okay, and then inside of this block we have to implement ch is equal to character. Okay, let's take a character. Let me write first character dot to lowercase. We have to convert we have to convert at least of capital one or else lower one. So we just converting to the our string is a lower. Okay, so lower w which is present in character dot to lower, which is present in character class. Okay, so see, as you can see here, this method is present over here. So let's enter it, and inside of this ch is there and end with semicolon. After this, what we have to return it, because this method is a boolean type, that means we have to return the data as a boolean. To returning to that data, just take a return ch. Okay, is equal to a. If you remember basics programs of boolean type of data checking, then you can easily to solve these problems. After this, we need a OR operator. Why we need this operator? Because if I we just want to check either A is present, either E is present, either I is present, because the vowel is a 5. Okay, that is a I O U. So first write this. Okay, then again ch is equal to E, and then again OR operator ch is equal to I, again operator OR operator here. Okay, ch is equal to AEIOU. Again OR operator ch is equal to OU. Okay, now the our method, this method is completed over here and end with semicolon. That means they just have to return if in the in a string that vowel a, else e, else I, else o, or else u is present in the string. What you have to do, you just have to remove. To removing that element, we need also a one more method which is used to remove the uh, element in a string. So let's implement this. So this method is done now, and we have to use this method to removing the data. How to use this method? So to use this method, we need like public static string, and the method is like remove remove vowels. Okay, this is the name of the method, is a remove vowels. And then what we need, uh string str is equal to, not is equal to, the block is created. This method is basically is a public. The access modifier is public. That means we can uh, use this method in any class because this method is a public. So we can easily to access in the another class. And the type of method is a static type. When the method is static type, it's call it as a class level method. We don't have to create an object to call this method. It will be called by using the class name. A string is a type of data type is a string type. That means this method should return the data as a string type. So inside of this, what we need? We need a string builder. If you know that this is the type of the string, how many types of a string? That is three types of a string: a string builder, and a string buffer. Here we just use that string builder. Okay, a string builder. See, here we are showing two method, that is a string. Two a string type, that is a string buffer and a string builder. So we just use a string builder over here. String builder, name of the object is a SB, is equal to new is a keyword to creating the object, and then we need again the constructor of a string builder and with semicolon. After this, we need a for loop over here, and this for loop is like char ch colon str dot to char array. This method is present in the string class, that is str dot to char array. That is a inbuilt method which is present in str dot string class. Okay, so this method is taking the data as a one by one, and if that vowel is present in a string, it should be removed that data. How? Let's implement the full method of this. After this, just come out here. After this, this is, I think this is not a for loop, this is a for each loop. Okay, as you can see here, we use that char ch and then colon str dot to char array. That means this char is a object type of data, char ch colon str dot to char array. That means whatever the things is present in this string, it will be coming to the ch. Okay, and then what we have to perform, to performing here we just need a if not operator. If not means yes, if yes means not. That's why we use that operator not. If not is vowel, which is already written, our method is vowel here. So this method is vowel is used here. Use these conditions. If is vowel ch, okay, is present, what you have to do, just sb dot append, the append ch. The append method is used to uh, remove the data. This is the also the inbuilt method which is present in a string builder. See, as here we use that SB. SB is the object of string builder class. So when we used to call this append method, we use that SB dot. When we use dot, that append method is showing. This method is used to remove the data. After removing the data, we have to return it back. Okay, to return it back, you just need to return SB dot to a string. Why? Why we use here a to string? To string is used to returning the data instead of returning the address. If we did not use that to string, it will be returned in the address only. Why? I'll explain you first. Our both method is done. This is check vowel. Okay, vowel in a string, and this remove. Okay, so here use that remove the string. Okay, remove. Okay, now this method is done. After this is our main method. Here we have to just need to add our things like first string string input. Okay, I just take here input is equal to uh, hello Java world. Okay, hello Java world. Okay, this is taken by me. You can take whatever you want. And our task is we have to remove if that vowel is present in this string. So where it present, it will be removed. So as you can see here in the hello, E is a vowel which is present in the hello. O is vowel. So these two things it should be removed. Then Java is not a EIOU. It's not present in Java. World O is present. That means O is also removed. So after this, just again a string result result check result is equal to remove method is remove which is present here remove vowels. Okay, this method is present here. We just call that method here remove vowels, and here we just use that input to get the data from this method to get the data from this method like input. That means input what we have hello Java world. It will be coming inside of this remove vowels. That means this going to the here. This argument string str is coming here and it will be performing their operations. When this cursor is controller is coming here, this for each loop it will going to check if is vowel is present or not. Okay, so when it's calling this method it going to the control goes back to the this method that is a check vowel in a string. This method is coming and it will be check that is present or not. If it's present, it's going back to the here and it will be performing this the operation that is a sb dot append. It should be remove the data. If it's not, it will be not going to remove the data. Okay, after this you have to print. So this out here use first original string. Okay, then plus print the original string input here. Next one is sys out a string without vowel. Okay, vowel plus result here. Print the result over here. Now our program is done over here. And what we have to do, we just run and check is it working or not. So let's check it. Run it. See, the original string is hello Java world. And the without string without vowels is HLLJV and WRLD. That means that vowel is removed here. Make sure it's clear here. Space and then this. Now it will be looks good. Again run it and check. See, the original string is hello Java world and the string without vowel is a HLL. That means O E is removed and O is removed from this word. And then Java A is removed because A is a vowel. A and A is removed. That is a JV, and the world is having a O. O is removed, so it will be called as WRLD. That means our program is working fine. So we just have to complete this year, and I hope you will understand these videos. So, thank you for watching Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day.